Hey everyone, the Lenovo Legion Y7000 2025 Core Edition quietly surfaced online with a powerful blend of next-gen hardware and thoughtful design, showcasing Lenovo's focus on delivering a balanced gaming machine that doesn't sacrifice performance for portability. Initially priced at around $978, the laptop was briefly listed on JD.com before being mysteriously pulled down. Despite the disappearance, its specifications offer a comprehensive look into what Lenovo is preparing for gamers and creators alike. At its heart lies Intel's Core i7-14650HX processor, a 16-core, 24-thread chip that pushes the boundary of mobile computing toward desktop-class performance. Complementing this raw CPU power is the NVIDIA RTX 5060 laptop GPU based on the Ada Lovelace architecture. The GPU features 8 GB of next-gen GDDR7 memory and supports DLSS 4, enabling AI-driven frame generation to enhance frame rates in supported titles. Lenovo also touts up to 572 TOPS of AI performance, suggesting potential for future AI-based gaming and productivity features. The Y7000's internal specs are just as robust. It includes 16 GB of DDR55600 MHz RAM and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD with TLC NAND, both of which are upgradable thanks to 2 RAM slots and dual M.2 SSD bays, an increasingly rare but appreciated feature in modern laptops. On the cooling front, Lenovo has introduced its Hurricane thermal system. This includes a triple fan layout, a large copper base, a 10mm heat pipe, and 3 additional high-efficiency pipes. Display-wise, the Legion Y7000 sports a 16-inch IPS panel with a sharp 2560 by 1600 resolution and a high 180 Hz refresh rate, offering both visual clarity and smooth motion for gaming. With a peak brightness of 500 nits, full sRGB coverage, and HDR support, the screen seems well-suited not just for games, but also for content consumption and creation. It also includes variable refresh rate for smoother gameplay without screen tearing. Connectivity is another area where Lenovo doesn't hold back. The laptop includes a USB-C port with 100-watt power delivery, DisplayPort, and 10 gigabits per second data transfer. It also features an HDMI 2.1 port with direct access to the discrete GPU, RJ45 Ethernet, 4 USB-A ports, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a standard DC and charging port. This assortment of ports is ideal for gamers who use multiple peripherals or connect to external displays. Physically, the laptop features a matte gray chassis with a sleek but understated aesthetic. The keyboard is backlit with 3 brightness levels, offers 1.5mm key travel, and likely maintains Lenovo's familiar and comfortable layout. Powering the device is an 80 watt-hour battery, which supports fast charging through both traditional and USB-C methods, including 100-watt PD. While Lenovo hasn't officially confirmed when or if the listing will go live again, the Legion Y7000 Core Edition 2025 is shaping up to be compelling mid to high-tier gaming laptop. With cutting-edge components, robust thermals, and a high refresh display, it clearly targets gamers who want serious performance without breaking the bank. Its brief appearance suggests that an official launch might be on the horizon, and if the pricing holds, it could become one of the most attractive gaming laptops in its category. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was interesting for you. Have a nice day and God bless you.